What if you could finally live the life you dream of?
What if you could become the person you always wished you could be?
What if you could rise above today's challenges and win?
What if tomorrow did not have to look like yesterday?
What if the answer has been waiting for you all along?
I know that anybody can do it. If I could do it, anybody can do it.
What if there was a proven way to unlock your awareness?
To build unshakable confidence.
To strengthen your self-image until you believe in your own greatness.
What if you had the clarity to finally see your way forward?
Would you choose to follow it?
Or would you choose to stay stuck in the same old routine?
Wondering why you work so hard
And still aren't where you want to be.
Letting doubt talk you out of what you know you truly want.
You think you're going to do better without studying? If you want to get more, you got to be more. The only way you're going to get more is to bring more of you to the party. There's an infinite source within you. Bring it to the surface, for God's sake. Make up your mind you're going to do it and do it right. Don't go back next week working the way you worked last week. You're not going to get any more for it than you got for last week. This is not rocket science. This is something a guy with 2 months high school can understand. And there are millions doing it.
Bob Proctor lived the life he once only dreamed of.
he reinvented himself again and again.
Using the same proven method.
And now he's left us his blueprint.
A path you can follow to create your own transformation.
The same principles Bob applied are ready for you right here, right now.
Don't put it on. Do it. Don't wait till tomorrow, next week, next month, 5 years from now. Waste all that time. You do it today.
1 year.
36 lessons.
The very same steps Bob followed.
The question is, will you? Because your future won't wait.
Your dream is calling.
This is your blueprint.
Your transformation starts now.
And what I'm talking about is moving your mind into a higher vibration, developing a higher consciousness, and you can literally attract all the good that you want.